Hey guys, welcome to the D&Q experience. That's M. We have just arrived to our Airbnb in Orlando, Florida. And I'm gonna give you guys a house tour. Now, this house is 9 bedrooms. I only got 2 homemade celery. Sorry. That's Jamaican language. It's 9 bedrooms, so I'm gonna give you a house tour. I'm not even gonna talk, I'm gonna run through and y'all will see what we see. All right, let's go. So here's the front. Garage. Front door. Coming in entrance on the first floor, on the right hand side, there is 1 room with a king bed.
And it has all green in it.
The bathroom here is occupied, so we're not gonna go in there, but so that the first room on the floor has a bathroom. You come back out the room, another door to that same bathroom. And on the left hand side, this is a garage, the garage. It's not a garage for cars, it is a garage for, looks like it was games, but the games seem to be broken. But it has a stool, table. Come back out, here's the kitchen. Very, very spacious. And here is a full pantry. For $80 per person. She's gonna meet me there. Coming from the entrance, there is a bathroom down here. For the bathroom, there is a storage closet here, which is not our business, but it was open anyway. The other door here is for the AC. Again, not our business. Coming in, this is the master bedroom. This is Damion and I's bedroom. Haha. Here on the left side, there is a closet. Bed. Coming on in is the bathroom. Double sinks. It's a shower, full shower. Soaking tub. Then a toilet. Exit to the pool. We have the living room. You have the dining room. Storage area. And going up the stairs. Up the stairs on the left hand side. I didn't see that room. There's 1 room here. This is a full bed and then a twin bed. Right across the hall, there's another room with 2 full beds. There is a bathroom. This bathroom comes from the hallway, from the room, toilet, double sinks again. It goes into another room, which has a king bed. Coming out here, above the stairs, it's the open loft area. Make it right. There is a bathroom. Standard bathroom. Coming back out, there's a room with double doors. This room has 3, 1, 2, 3 full-size beds. Matter of fact, looks like this is the queen, full queen. Okay. Coming out again, it's another room with 2 full beds. 1, 2. 2 full beds. Come back out. There's another room. With the bed. Goes into a shared bathroom. Again, double sinks. A full shower. Okay, another bathroom. Okay, full bed, twin. AC for upstairs. Okay.
Girl, you never know you act like I was about to say something.
Don't say it. Coming outside to the patio area. Here's two guys that came with the house. We have a sitting area for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. And then you come over into here, and here's the pool. So it is nighttime, so you can't really see, but I'll show you guys a look in the morning. There's the pool. Another guy that came with the house. House has guys. Oh, the owner, yes. Well, thank you guys for watching this house tour of this home in Orlando, Florida. Once again, this is the Airbnb. It is 9 bedrooms. I will put the link if you would like to rent this home for you and your family and friends in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video.